Hello and welcome to the space created for us, the astrology lovers. Today I'm going to talk about a very spicy subject, the meeting between Venus and Mars, both in our natal chart and in the charts of couples. This is a subject that is very interesting to analyze and is very it gives a nice flavor to the natal chart and a nice flavor to understanding the dynamic we have in couples. If you want to know more about the meaning of these planets in astrology, the general meaning, I invite you to watch the video I posted last week about Venus, Mars and Mercury. Today I'm strictly going to talk about this dynamic they have in our charts and in the charts with a partner. So Venus is a lot about love in a romantic way, love in a sensual way, about the languages of love, how we express love, how we want to be loved. So it's that kind of moral and sensual and deep way of showing and feeling love. Mars, on the other hand, is about sexuality and about the way we find happiness in our sex life and what makes us happy, what attracts us in a partner. So we need this combination to be happy. So my first invitation is to see what are the dynamics that these planets make in your own chart, because that is the way to better understand why you attract certain people in your life. See if Venus and Mars are getting along in your chart, or if they are not, see why they are not getting along, because maybe the way you want your needs to be met in love and the way your needs have to be met in intimacy are very different. If you want to add more spice to it, try to get the moon in this triangle, because the moon will talk about our subconscious needs. So lots to explore. And then see what are the dynamics between your Venus and the Venus of the partner, and your Venus and the Mars of the partner, and vice versa. It's very interesting to see if the Venus are compatible, because if they are, the way you express love and the way the other understands love might be very similar. If not, the languages of love might be very different, so it might take a lot of time to get a common ground. See if the Mars is compatible, and generally if the Mars signs are compatible, the sexual chemistry is very strong from the beginning, so that you would know from the start. Mars is very to the point from the beginning. So I invite you to explore this and see how these dynamics are happening in your chart. And then also look what type of sign is your Venus or your Mars in, because it talks a lot about the way we understand love and the way we understand sexuality. So for example, if you have it in an air sign, you would like to communicate a lot. You will feel best when you talk to your partner. When your partner talks to you, you will feel attracted to very intellectual type of partners, or partners that are witty and have the gift of gab, or so on. If you have your signs in, let's say, water sign, Venus or Mars in water signs, you would need emotional depth, you would need intimacy, you will need someone that understands your moods, and someone that can creatively connect to you on a deeper level. So dive in it, see what you find. And I would gladly like to meet you and communicate. I sometimes do online courses. Check my page for that. I'm doing a course on the significance of Mars and erotic astrology next week. See if you can join, and if not, just keep tuned and maybe we'll meet the next times. Bye bye, thank you for watching.